Hey everyone, today we're talking about how to use a calling card on your cell phone. Calling cards can be a great way to save money on international calls. So what is a calling card and how does it work? A calling card is a prepaid phone service that allows you to make calls for a certain amount of time or money. You can buy calling cards online or at stores like Callmama. When you use a calling card, you'll first need to dial an access number provided by the calling card company. Then, you'll enter your calling card number and PIN. Finally, you'll dial the international phone number you want to call. Benefits of using calling cards. Lower rates than cell phone plans. Calling cards typically offer lower rates than cell phone plans, especially for international calls. Ability to use any phone to make calls. You can use a calling card to make calls from any phone, including your cell phone, a landline, or even a payphone. Preserve your cell phone minutes. If you don't make international calls very often, using a calling card can help you preserve your cell phone minutes for domestic calls. Things to consider when choosing a calling card. Hidden fees. Some calling cards have hidden fees, such as connection fees or maintenance fees. Expiration dates. Be sure to choose a card with an expiration date that is long enough for your needs. Rechargeable cards. Some calling cards are rechargeable, which means you can add more money to the card after you've used up the initial balance. How to make a call using a calling card. Dial the access number for the calling card company. Enter your calling card number and PIN. Dial the international phone number you want to call. Got questions on how to use a calling card on your cell phone? Drop a comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech and communication tips. Callmama, connecting people with loved ones.